All systems stable. Morning cycle running smoothly. Cargo confirmed. Begin unloading protocol.
Seal verified. Proceed with quality intake. Seal verified. Proceed with quality intake. Readings normal. Remove flagged items automatically.
Keep the intake flow steady. Everything looks good.
Vibration level stable. Keep it running.
Good texture. Moisture level looks ideal.
AI detection is clean. Remove all flagged items.
Pressure looks perfect. Keep this temperature.
Fill level confirmed. Move the next bin in place. Sample quality is excellent. No contamination detected.
Quality index remains stable. Proceed to roasting phase.
Routing confirmed. Send this load to roaster line A.
Roasting cycle stabilizing. Prepare for temperature increase.
Heat level rising. Keep the airflow balanced.
Perfect expansion. They're roasting evenly.
Vent pressure stable. Keep monitoring the flow. Good. Keep the curve steady. No overheating.
Cooling cycle active. Temperature dropping fast. Separation level at 98%. Keep it steady.
Grinder RPM stable. Grinder are the next batch. Start the next batch.
Particle size perfect. Continue milling at this speed.
Viscosity looks good. Temperature is holding steady.
Flow rate stable. Send this batch to the butter press.
Pressure holding steady. Keep separating the batch. Clarity looks perfect. Move it to the cooling section. Particle size optimal. Begin transferring to mix zone.
Route confirmed. Deliver this straight to mixer line B.
Uniformity confirmed. We're ready to begin the mixing stage. Mixing area ready. Load the next batch.
Ingredient ratios perfect. Start the mixing cycle.
Sugar flow stable. No clumps detected. Torque level rising. Maintain current speed. Temperature stable. Continue the mixing cycle. Special blend added. Maintain the programmed ratio.
Flow is perfect. Send it to the filtration line. Filters clean. Chocolate is fully refined.
Conching cycle steady. Leave it running.
Smoothness levels rising. Continue the conching process.
Texture smooth. Flavor notes are developing perfectly.
Temperature calibrated. Maintain this precision.
Nano filter clean. Chocolate is fully refined. Cooling curve perfect. It's ready for molding.
Temperature holding steady. Send this straight to the casting line.
Flow stable. Begin routing to the molding lanes.
Mold line clear. Prepare the filling heads.
All levels accurate. Keep the flow consistent.
Bubbles clearing perfectly. Maintain this frequency.
Cooling tunnel at -5. Continue the cycle.
Shapes clean and consistent. Move them down the line.
Sorting accuracy is perfect. Keep the pace steady.
Distribution even. Continue with the next set.
Edges are flawless. Laser alignment is perfect. Special shape molds loaded. Quality looks excellent. Thermal levels are even. Start the second layer.
Outer layer solid. Keep the coating temperature steady.
Detection locked. Remove anything flagged.
Good removal. Continue rejecting all flawed pieces.
Quality approved. Release the batch to packaging. Weight calibration perfect. No adjustments needed.
Line flow optimal. Move them to the recycling junction.
Recycle batch clean. Send it back to the main feed.
Chamber stable. Maintain -5 airflow.
Packaging zone cleared. Begin final stage. Foil tension optimal. Continue the wrapping cycle.
The wraps are clean.
Approve this set for packing.
Stamp verified.
Security pattern is correct.
Box alignment looks good. Keep the full pressure steady.
Limited edition batch approved. Move them to filling.
Placement perfect. Keep the cycle running.
Seal tight and clean. Move them to carton forming.
Box formation smooth. Load them onto the line. Trace code verified. Continue tagging.
Pallet stored. Maintain the cold zone at constant temperature.
Lighting is perfect. Capture a slow rotation next.
Beautiful flow. This will be our hero shot.
Boost the highlights. It needs more shine on the edges.
Launch synchronized worldwide. Activate phase 1.
That looks amazing. I want to try it.
All trucks cleared. Proceed to scheduling routes.
Retrieval confirmed. Send it to outbound lane 3.
All scanned. Send these to the supermarket fleet.
Cargo locked. Clear to close the hatch.
Display ready. Open this aisle for customers. Perfect placement. This addition will attract everyone.
Rich and smooth. This is really good.
Let's get a few more of these.
This is delicious.
Perfect for tonight.
From beam to bar, precision at every step.